god.
You got stuff all over you.
Ooh, big pumpkin.
Little pumpkin.
So I am getting gas now, but I just left Giovanni Med Spa where I had the Venus Legacy treatment again on my thighs and my stomach. It was my second session on my stomach, my third session on my thighs, and then I also got laser hair removal. Today was my first session of that. So I'm doing 6 sessions of the Venus Legacy treatment on the stomach and thighs, and then I'm doing 6 sessions of the laser hair removal, but those are 4 weeks apart. So we did my legs and my armpits, and we actually skipped the Brazilian because I'm on my period. So apparently it's like really sensitive when you're on your period to do that. So we're actually going to do that next week at my session of Venus Legacy, so that we'll get like back on track. So I just heard my gas tank finish. I need to get back to back home because Andrew's watching Sage for me, and Sage was having such a meltdown when I left. I felt so bad. I almost wanted to cancel, but Andrew told me not to just go ahead and go. So gotta get back to them because I've been a little bit stressed about that. Ooh. Keep going. Just sitting down to do some editing, and I realized that I hadn't really kind of been doing any vlogging updates for you guys. So I wanted to just share that I vlogged a little bit at the pumpkin patch when Andrew and Sage and I went, I believe it was last week. And then I also vlogged when we received our new plants from Bloomscape. And then earlier this week was my dad's birthday, so we went to this antique store in Mesa with him, and I vlogged a little bit there. So a lot of fun things that have been going on. We've also been working and getting like the house together, spending time with my parents. So I just vlogged like a little bit here and there of like some fun things that we were doing. So I hope that you guys enjoy that footage. So just wanted to hop on here really quickly to mention that. So Sage is currently taking a nap. Andrew is picking up some bar stools for this really cool patio table that he made out of a wine barrel. And we are going to go to the Scottsdale Museum of Art after this. But I wanted to show you guys where we ended up putting our bloomscape plants. We got 3 of them, 3 like big, beautiful ones. The house is a little bit of a mess because we have a couch coming today. So things are just like everywhere. Sorry guys, that's Arlo. So let me show you the one in the bedroom, which is the bird of paradise. So here's Arlo, Mr. Arlo. So we have the bird of paradise here on this really cool bamboo plant stand that my dad thrifted for us at Goodwill on a discount day. So it was $5 to begin with, but I think he got it for less than that. So we have that here in the bedroom because it needed to be somewhere where it got good light. So bedroom's kind of a mess right now, guys. But just to give you guys another idea, that is what it looks like here in the bedroom. Okay, so we have a couch coming today, which is why the living room is a mess. So here is the fiddly fig, which we put in this corner for now. We just moved it over here along with the wall hanging, which was over here. So it was in this corner, so we just moved, we switched basically the wall hangings and we switched the plants. We might switch back, we'll see. But we just got this really, really cool kind of like, what is this style? Is it Southwestern style, Santa Fe style? Not really sure, but we love this like rustic piece, this console table that we just styled here underneath my cactus prints, which were also thrifted. So, and this is a Dracaena, this big, beautiful Dracaena, which is a little unhappy, not sure if we weren't giving it enough water or what. The fiddle leaf is doing great, so is bird of paradise, but this one is drooping just a little. So I'm hoping that she'll perk up maybe in this corner. So there is the wine barrel table that Andrew made. He bought that at Goodwill, and then the table, and sanded it, stained it, glazed it, and screwed it onto this wine barrel. So he's getting new stools right now. We have a bunch of pots and plants that my dad gave us. This was my parents' patio set, which is just gonna be temporary. And then we actually just thrifted, oh, you can't see the other one, it's behind the prickly pear, those tables, which are also kind of in that same like Spanish style, rustic style that we love. So I'll probably do some more vlogging later when our couch arrives. We are going to be putting it together and styling it here in the living room, and then we might move things around based on how the couch looks. So I'll probably vlog that a little bit later today when we get back from the museum. guys, so I wanted to end this vlog. We just went thrifting and I filmed a quick thrift haul. So I decided that I better film something to end the vlog that I've been filming for the past few weeks. So I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to check back for my next video, which will be a thrift haul from the trip that we just did today to a local Goodwill. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.